Today I am reviewing the Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop AC16250 is a powerhouse designed for gamers, creators, and anyone who demands cutting-edge performance in a portable package. With a 16-inch WQXGA display and a 120Hz refresh rate, this laptop delivers sharp, vibrant visuals and smooth motion that bring games, movies, and creative projects to life. The display offers 300 nits of brightness, ensuring clarity even in bright environments, and the 16-inch size provides ample screen real estate for multitasking and immersive gameplay. At the core of the Alienware 16 Aurora is the Intel Core i7-240H processor, a high-performance CPU capable of handling intensive tasks like AAA gaming, 3D rendering, and content creation with ease. Paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, the laptop provides smooth multitasking, allowing you to run multiple apps, games, and creative software without lag or interruptions. Graphics performance is where the Alienware 16 truly shines. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 8GB graphics card, powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and AI-enhanced rendering, this laptop offers stunning visuals, realistic ray tracing, and high frame rates for competitive and AAA titles alike. Whether you're gaming at high settings, streaming, or working on professional creative projects, the RTX 5050 delivers immersive graphics and smooth performance. Storage and responsiveness are exceptional, thanks to the 1TB SSD, which ensures fast boot times, instant application loading, and quick file access. Combined with the high-speed DDR5 RAM, this laptop is ready to handle large game files, high-resolution videos, and professional design projects without slowing down. Alienware has also focused on innovative cooling solutions with a newly designed Cryo-Chamber structure, which directs airflow precisely to the core components that need it most. This advanced thermal system ensures the laptop stays cool under heavy loads while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. Unlike traditional designs, the Alienware 16 Aurora eliminates the need for a bulky rear thermal shelf, providing a more streamlined and comfortable experience during extended gaming or work sessions. The design and build of the Alienware 16 Aurora prioritize comfort and usability. The laptop features a sleek, streamlined chassis with thoughtful airflow management and ergonomics, making it suitable for long gaming marathons or creative workflows. The keyboard and input devices are responsive and comfortable, while the overall build quality ensures durability and reliability. For added peace of mind, Dell provides 1-year on-site service, meaning that if an issue arises that cannot be resolved remotely, a technician will come directly to your home, office, or location of choice. This service ensures minimal downtime and support exactly when and where you need it, making the Alienware 16 Aurora a worry-free investment for serious gamers and professionals. In summary, the Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop AC16250 is a premium, high-performance machine that combines stunning visuals, powerful processing, advanced graphics, and efficient cooling. With its 16-inch WQXGA 120Hz display, Intel Core i7-240H CPU, NVIDIA RTX 5050 GPU, 16 GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, and 1-year on-site service, it is designed to meet the needs of gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand top-tier performance in a portable, stylish package. For anyone looking for a gaming laptop that excels in both performance and reliability, the Alienware 16 Aurora is an excellent choice.